Hey guys, so today I'm here and I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a ColourPop haul. This year is supposed to be a low buy for me, so I am trying to be good and not buy too much, but I had to get a few things. One of the first things is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I got mine in the shade Fair 5. I've yet to even open this. Love the packaging. It's like this really pretty, like light nudie pink shade, so gorge. And, oh, it's a little separated there, but it looks pretty light. And oh, it's like the same type of applicator. Just see here. I don't smell a smell, but it looks pretty nice. Let's see. I want to give this a second to see if it does that dry down thing everybody talks about, and then we can go back to it. The packaging looks really nice though. I've yet to try this underneath the eyes. I do want to try this, give a review video, as well as also do a comparison with I also want to do a comparison as well with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer because I've been loving this concealer. So I do want to also do a kind of comparison, swatches, all that. So we'll give that a shot. I can see that this has dried down. It did get a little bit darker like people said, but I can still totally use this underneath my eyes. It is not as light as the Kylie one. The Kylie one's more of a cool tone, very brightening effect one, and this Fair 5 I would say is more like yellow based kind of color, so you guys can kind of see for a quick reference, but we will wait for any of that. But I have yet to use this underneath or on my skin or anything. That's actually the first time I touched it. Seems pretty good. It's just a little bit dark, so hopefully it's still workable. So I did buy 3 Supernova shadows. These are from the Moonlight collection or something like that. I believe it was Moonlit or something. Moonlight. I think it was from like the Moonlight or Moonlit collection. Not really sure, but I picked up Over Again, From the Valley, or Now or Never. The other 3 I picked up, I absolutely love them. I think they are stunning, and I've been using them quite frequently. So let's get into looking at some of these. This one is Now or Never, and this is, oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's like this really pretty, like, oh my god, like light purpley almost. Oh, let me try to, this one's really like neutral. Not a lot is picking up on the brush, which is kind of weird. I had to like really force it in there, but just sort of, there we go, vamp that up a bit. That is so pretty. It's like iridescent. I could totally use that with that Kylie the Purple palette I was just like taken hauled and kind of briefly told you guys about. But look at how beautiful that is. Love that. And again, that one's Now or Never. And then there's also Over Again, which I thought looked so stunning. Look at this. It's like a really beautiful like pink. Oh my god, look at it. Wow. This is like in your face pink. Definitely really like, look at this. Like, let me try to get some different colors in there. So beautiful. Like, oh my god. Again, that one's Over Again. It's got like this really cool shift where it looks like purple and pink, but then every now and again I see like an orange, so that's really stunning. And last but not least is From the Valley. This one is very similar to the Over Again. Like, here's Over Again and here's From the Valley. From the Valley is a little bit more purple. But let's just kind of put that. I'm going to actually swatch it next to that one so we can kind of see. This one I would consider more as like a light kind of like glittery type of shade, but still gorgeous. Like, you can see that it's hitting more of the purple and the light. From the Valley is this one, and then that one was Over Again, and that one was, this one was Now or Never, and that one was Over Again. So I had to remember. But when you see it flat on, they kind of look similar, but then when it shifts in a certain light, you can see the purple come out a lot. Super stunning. That was the stuff that I bought. I did pick up a few things for my friends. I picked up some of the palettes and stuff, but they were not for me. They were for my friends. But I did hear that that mini, like, it was like a little pressed pigment palette. I gave that to my friend, and she loved that palette, and it looked amazing on her eyes. So I would say that's a beautiful one. But I'm going to try these out. They look so pretty, and I really just love these Supernova shadows. I hope these are the same formula as the ones that I have, because I love mine. Actually, I'm going to show you guys. These are the ones I already have. This is Dragon, and it's like this really like beautiful like orange copper. This one is Mothership. This one's my favorite. It's this beautiful like green teal. I love using this with both the Kylie Blue Honey palette as well as the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. And then this one is Moonlit, and I love this one too. It's like a really dark, like burgundy, pinky, like, actually I want to put it next to this other one. See how saturated these ones are compared to the other one? There we go. just so you guys can see that these two pinks are not the same. This is Over Again in the new collection, and this is Moonlit. So Moonlit's here, Over Again is here. The newer shades that came out, I can tell are just more like more shimmery, sheer type of shades, more to be like duochrome and all that. Kind of almost like just the extra your eyeshadow that you got underneath. The other ones, these are like really pigmented. Like these ones are so pigmented, but I actually love these. I actually plan on picking up more of these. Again, I know it's supposed to be a low buy this year, but these are just so amazing. I know some people have weird things with these where they have problems with like peeling or like crumbly or anything like that. I've never had a problem, at least with any of these three, and I've been using these for a few months now, no problems. Can't say anything about these yet because I have yet to try them, but I never had an issue with that, so I don't know. But love these. Can't wait to get some use out of them. Super, super excited. If you guys would like to see a tutorial with any of these, please let me know down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. And please be sure to be on the lookout for ColourPop, the no filter concealer. You know, kind of maybe a first impressions we might do, but like a get ready with me or something. And as well, I will do with a comparison with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.